The topmost layer of the Earth's surface is covered with soil. It is a very important resource for all living organisms. Soil provides a medium for plants to grow. It is a home to a number of microorganisms, worms, and insects. Soil is also important to other animals and humans who depend on plants for their food. Humans also depend on soil to fulfill their needs for clothing and shelter. Thus, soil is an indispensable part of life. Did you know that it has taken millions of years for soil to form? Long ago, the entire Earth's surface was just a bed of rock. Over the years, due to the alternate heating and cooling effect of the day and the night, the layer of rock developed cracks. Gradually, the cracks widened and the rocky surface started breaking into pieces. Due to natural forces like rain and snow, these rock pieces further disintegrated into particles. This natural process of rocks breaking into smaller pieces is known as weathering. As time went by, plants started growing in this layer of soil. Gradually, remains of plants and dead animals mixed with soil, making it highly fertile. As weathering is an ongoing process, the formation of soil continues even today. If we dissolve a small lump of soil in water and keep it undisturbed for some time, the components of soil separate to form distinct layers. Gravel or pebbles, being the heaviest, settle at the very bottom. Settled above the gravel are sand and clay, which are the finer particles of weathered rocks. The topmost floating layer contains dead and decayed parts of plants and animals. This is called humus. Soil also contains water and air. They occupy the spaces between the particles of soil. Soil also contains minerals, which are present in the rock particles. Thus, we can see that soil is composed of rocks and minerals and humus, water and air. However, the composition of soil varies from place to place. The type of rock weathered determines the mineral content of soil. The air and water content in the soil depends on the climate of the place. The soil that we see is only the topmost layer. Soil is made up of different layers that stretch several feet below the ground. These layers are known as horizons. Each horizon has a different composition and hence a different color and depth. The uppermost horizon is termed as a horizon or topsoil. It is dark in color as it is rich in humus and minerals. Humus makes the soil fertile and provides nutrients to growing plants. The roots of small plants are embedded entirely in this layer. This layer is generally soft and porous and retains a good amount of water. Various living organisms such as worms, rodents, moles, and beetles live in this layer. The next layer is called the B horizon. It is harder and more compact than the A horizon. This layer also contains small amounts of humus. It is rich in minerals as all the water-soluble materials from A horizon leach and accumulate in this layer.